Hello sports fans, MySpace Secrets just with a quick update. It is Tuesday the 12th of May 2009. Before we get going, there's something important that I want to say. There's a lot of news that's come up recently in Bloomberg and some of the big terminals and on TV saying the market's turning, and I guess that they're going off the fact there's a saying in the market now that we're actually halfway through May. If you've been watching the market, we've been rallying until the last couple of days. We've actually broken some key levels in the market. But what I've done and what I want to show you today is the crash of 1929 here that you see on the screen right now. And to investigate, is history actually repeating itself? Because what I find interesting is there are some similarities with what is going on from 2008, 2009 and what has happened, or what actually did happen or occur back with the 1929 crash. Now, I am a strong believer, not in the saying that history does repeat itself, but I do believe that in some circumstances history does rhyme. Is that what is happening in the market, in the economy right now? Who knows? But like I said, it's interesting to do the experiment and to investigate a little bit further. Now, the crash that actually occurred in 1929, a lot of people will tell you that the crash started and finished in 1929, which is not the case. The market in 1929 crashed the end of 1929. Okay, that was the top of the market, and it took many years later, but the market actually bottomed. It took a number of years. It took a few years. The market actually bottomed July 1932. So the market actually took to fully crash and crumble from highs to lows took approximately about 2.5, 3 years. What is very important through this time, even though the market was in a bear market, it still had some very big rallies. As you can see here that I'm pointing out on the screen right now, these rally in green is basically fessing up or showing you that even though the market was in a bear market, it still had significant rallies. One or two of them were something like 40 to 50% retracements. The most important thing here is what I'm getting at, the rally that has occurred and the rally that occurred back in 29 to 1930. From the lows of the rally we see here to the top of the rally took approximately 5 to 6 months. 5 to 6 months. It is interesting too that we have had a record-breaking rally yet again. The economy is not fine. You have GM Motors on the verge of collapse, which looks like happening, as I said that previously. You had all this stimulus, all this money printed off that obviously had effect on the market and boosted it up. It is interesting in seeing this example that things are playing out eerily similar people. So it is my warning to you, if you are in the market, just be a little bit careful. The rally that you saw take place over the last 9 or so weeks, the rally that you saw on this, you see on this chart that took a matter of months to complete as well, is very similar. You need to take a step back and ask yourself what is really happening here. I know one of my very first videos here on YouTube, one of the very first ones, you can go back and have a look if you do so wish, but I was doing the same charting, I was doing the same comparisons before the market crash. This was a year before the market crash, probably even more than that. And when the market crashed, was I surprised? Of course not. Basically all I was doing was going back and seeing patterns in history, doing a little bit of investigation to see if it was possible history was repeating. It turned out to be right back then, and in no way am I saying I'm going to be right this time, but the chart that you're seeing now and you're looking at in front of you right now, it's very interesting to see how all of this is playing out. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling now. I thought you'd be very interested in just seeing a little bit of analysis right now. MySpace Secrets with a quick update. Thank you very much for all the people sending me emails in regards to the site. Go over and have a look if you do so wish. Otherwise, enjoy the video, send it to your friends and rallies if they're telling you this is the bottom, and I will basically update when I get some more time. MySpace Secrets signing off. Until next time, enjoy your day, enjoy the video, thank you, and goodbye.